Hey, do you know the difference between comments and notes in Excel? I've been trying to organize some feedback on a spreadsheet, but I'm not sure which one I should be using.
Yeah, it's a bit confusing because Excel changed things up a bit. Comments are now more like a conversation tool. You can reply to them and they create a thread of discussions that stays linked to a particular cell.
Got it. So, comments are good for discussions or collaborative feedback?
Exactly. On the other hand, notes are more like the old-style comments. They're just simple text boxes that you can use to add information or reminders without expecting any responses.
Oh, that makes sense. So, if I just want to leave a remark or a little extra detail on a cell, I should use a note?
Yep. Notes are perfect for that. Comments are better when you're sharing a sheet with others and want to have a dialogue directly in the document.
Thanks. That clears things up. I think I'll use comments for our team review and notes for my own reminders.
Sounds like a good plan.